Dino Buddies, Playing and Cleaning. Episode 1, Playing Tag.
Try to catch me,
Sarah said. The buddies were playing tag.
Here I come!
Rex said. He stomped toward Sarah. Sarah ran fast. She tripped over a dead branch.
Are you okay?
Tor asked. Sarah got up.
I'm fine,
She said. Rex tagged Sarah.
You're it!
He said. Sarah said. Sarah saw Sid nearby. She ran toward him. Sid spun around. Sid stepped on thorns. Ouch! Sid cried.
Poor Sid!
Sarah said. Sarah tried to help Sid, but there were lots of thorns. Ouch! 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 Sid cried.
We'll help!
Rex and Tor said. Rex ran. Tor flew. Rex didn't see a nut pile. He slipped.
Whoa!
Bam! He hit the ground.
Ah!
Suddenly, Tor shouted.
Ah!
She was stuck in vines. Dino Buddies, Playing and Cleaning. Episode 2, Cleaning Up. Tor flapped and kicked. She got free of the vines. Everyone pulled thorns from Sid's foot. Thanks, Sid said. Sarah looked around.
This spot is a mess.
She said.
Let's clean it up. Good idea.
Tor dug through her bag. She found a duster. Everyone laughed.
That duster won't help us.
Sarah said. Sid picked up branches.
Ouch!
Sarah said.
How can we cut these thorns?
Tor dug through her bag again. She handed Sarah a saw.
Perfect!
Sarah said. Sarah cut the thorns. Then Tor cut the vines. Rex picked up the nuts. He threw them behind some bushes.
Our spot looks clean now.
Tor said.
I'm thirsty.
Everyone went to the stream. Soon they came back. There was a new nut pile. Dino Buddies, Playing and Cleaning. Episode 3, Nuts.
got rid of all the nuts.
Rex said.
Now there's a new pile. Oh.
Tor put down her bag.
Let's clean them up again,
she said. The buddies picked up the nuts. They threw them behind a rock. Tor went to get her bag. She gasped.
My bag is gone! Where did you leave it?
Sarah asked. Tor scratched her head.
I thought I left it here,
she said. The buddies looked for Tor's bag. Sid looked under a log. Rex looked behind a bush.
The stream!
Sarah said.
Maybe you left your bag there.
Everyone went to the stream. The bag wasn't there.
Oh.
They returned to their spot.
Oh! There's my bag!
Tor said. She picked it up.
Why is it so heavy?
Tor asked. She looked inside.
Nuts!
Dino Buddies, Playing and Cleaning. Episode 4, The Squirrel.
Tor dumped her bag. Nuts spilled everywhere. Rex groaned.
Oh. Another mess.
Tor grinned.
Sorry.
The buddies picked up the nuts. Sid threw some.
Stop!
A squirrel yelled. She was in a tree. She peeked out from a hole. The squirrel was mad.
I'm collecting those nuts. What?
Rex said.
I was making a nut pile.
The squirrel said.
I carried some nuts up here.
The squirrel frowned.
My pile got messed up. So I hid nuts in that.
She pointed to Tor's bag.
We were cleaning.
Sarah said.
We're sorry. We can help you now,
Tor said. The buddies collected nuts. Tor put them in her bag. Tor flew up to the squirrel.
Here.
Tor said. The squirrel smiled.
Thanks.
Now the spot was clean. Rex roared.
Let's play!